in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. If you don't want your Facebook page anymore, you close your business, you don't want your Facebook page. Okay, so first of all, you need to log into your account, Facebook account, and then go to your Facebook page. I'm now in one of the Facebook page I created. Okay, so just as a test example. So once you go in, you need to go to your this settings. Okay, under settings and privacy, you go inside here, look for access and control. Under your information area, access control. Okay, you can decide whether to deactivate the page, which is temporarily. Your page is disabled and your names and photos will be removed. Okay, you can reactivate back later, or you unpublish your page. Only you and the people who manage your ABC able to see your page. Other people cannot search you and find you and all those things. You can do this temporarily. You want to hide it, or you want to unpublish your page, or you want to delete your page completely. This is permanent. You won't be able to retrieve the content or information you shared on Facebook. Your messages and all your message will also be deleted. So if this is permanent, you choose this and then click continue. Okay, you can download all the information that you created, like your photos, your posts, or you can transfer it. Okay, copy to another place. Yeah, up to you whether you download. I don't need that. I'm going to continue. And then you need to log in to your password to delete it. Okay, to delete your page. Okay, page.